What's up guys, and welcome to the first ever tutorial of programming in databases SQL. And in this tutorial, it's just an introduction to show you what I will be doing in the near future. And in this tutorial, I'll just make a folder and show you my working space. So without further ado, let's start the video. Okay, CD. We're in the desktop, ls-l. We need to make a directory for our database folder directory where I will be putting my files and notes and ERDs and SQL theory. All that code will be in this folder. Okay, so make directory. Okay, there it is. Okay, so yeah, in the near future, or next week, the week after next, next month, next year, whatever, when I start the actual database tutorials, I will be introducing you to a scenario, going through a scenario, making an ERD, and then writing some code, how you construct a database, how you make a database, how you select this from that, select this from this table, from that, blah blah blah. Just show you how to write SQL theories and use terminal, use different applications to construct your theories, and that's it really. And I'll also show you how ERDs are made, what a foreign key is, what a primary key is, how to go through safe navigation, many to ones, one to manys, all that. If you know what that is, you're on the right spot, right place, watching the right video at the right time. Okay guys, that's it from me from this introduction tutorial. When you come back to the second tutorial, when I make the second tutorial, and when you're watching the second tutorial, I will go through a scenario and pick out the key points and terminology and for later use. Alright, that's it for this tutorial. Thanks for now.